Hey guys, Andrew here from craftymuso.com. Now today this is going to be a bit of a longer video. I'm going to show you how to set up your own website from scratch pretty much with WordPress. So the screen that I'm on right now, you just access it by typing in your URL followed by WP admin, and you'll have to put in the password that you received from WordPress when you installed it. So you just put in your login and your password, and then you get to this screen. So the first thing that you want to do is go to users and your profile, so you can change your password to something that you actually remember instead of some random code. So you can go generate code, but I'm going to use my own, so I'm going to just hide that one from view, and I've got my password, so update profile. Now, the first thing you want to do is pick a theme. So I'm just going to go through this as I'm doing it, and yeah, so hopefully I won't go too fast, but I'll go fast enough. So here we have 3 themes that are already built in. So these ones on other pages that I run, I've used different themes. I haven't used these actual default themes, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I think we'll just go with let's go with this one here and see what we can do with it. Or maybe this one. This one looks like a nice basic theme. So what we're gonna do is install it. So we can go customize. Now I think these themes are actually already installed, these WordPress themes to start with. So what you're going to do is I just went customize, as you saw before, and now we can change things like we can go into site identity and put in our titles. So the tagline can be so this is for my my own music, basically electronic music. So I can say producer from Adelaide, and that's going to go there. Then I can go site icon, and I'll go into the folder that I have this site icon that I'm going to use, my logo. So put this up, and this is the place where it stores all your media. So WordPress is really friendly with the setup, and a lot of it is very intuitive. If you've used any program before, WordPress is very easy to use, which is great. So I've got that in my media library. I just select the image there, and they're asking me to crop it for the logo. So I will be doing that when it decides to load. Now, if you've got any questions about using WordPress, I'm more than happy to help you out. So if there's anything at all, just comment on this video, and I'll help you out. So let's make this a little bit smaller. So yep, that looks pretty good to me. So that's going to go up the top here for our identity. So if we go back here, now we can choose different colors. So I'm going to go with a white and orange theme. So I'm going to go over to here, do a little bit more darker orange. Yeah, about there. That looks good. And then yeah, it's white there and grey. That'll be fine for now. So this isn't going to look amazing. I'll obviously spend a lot more time and go into more detail when I'm doing it myself, but it kind of gets you started, right? So first thing I want to look at is the plugins. So I'm going to go to plugins here, and we're going to go to deactivate. We're going to deactivate a lot of these and get rid of them, so we don't really need them. Jetpack, Mojo, I mean, they're all stuff that was preloaded anyway. So we're just going to go bulk actions, deactivate, because you have to deactivate them before you delete them. So I'm going to do that, and then just going to delete all these. Now, I'll just show you a couple of good ones that I use. So I've covered a lot of this in another article, which is how to make your own band website for under $100 a year. But I thought a video to just show you what it kind of looks like to actually do would be quite helpful. So I'll also link the other article in this article. So what we're going to put in first will be, let's do a Facebook comments plugin, which will allow people to comment with their Facebook usernames instead of their WordPress account, which a lot of people don't have. So we've got Facebook comments, and this is how easy it is to install the plugin. You just go install now, and it's going to load up and install it for you. You don't have to download any files to your computer. It all just happens, right online. You activate it, and boom, it's done. And you'll see normally there'll be a menu that comes up in the side that will kind of explain what it does. So to set this one up, you have to put in your Facebook page for the product or the band that you are connected to. So I won't bother going into that just yet. You'll probably be able to work that one out through just your own research. Or I could do, if you're having trouble with that, I can do a specific video just for that, right? So we're going to add a couple new ones, more plugins. So this one will be a contact form. Contact form 7 seems to be a popular one. So this will allow people to send you emails, and so you can respond to their questions if they want to ask you something off the site. And it's quite easy to set up. All pretty self-explanatory. That's the beauty of WordPress. It's just so easy to use. Especially myself. I came from I did a little bit of maybe Dreamweaver in high school for maybe a couple of weeks, but apart from that, I forgot all of that. And you start to learn a little bit of HTML just with working with WordPress anyway, as you find. So this one's taking a while to load. Could have some bad connection speeds. But so I'll just go on to some other stuff. So yeah, you've got a lot of different plugins, and the good thing is you can just install whatever plugin you want. There's like any kind of things that you want your website to do, you'll be able to find a plugin for it. So I'm just going to activate this one. And now we'll just go into the pages. So what we have here is a sample page. We're just going to trash this, and we're going to start our own sample page. Now, going to add a page which will just be like a short biography. So we're going to just call this bio. Hey guys, I'm an electronic producer from Adelaide. Obviously, I'm going to change this a little bit later myself, but just to demonstrate how it works, I'm going to publish that, and you can go view page, and boom, there's a page right there. And you see this this sidebar here. All this layout we can change to be however we want. So it's quite easy to do. Can go back here. Another plugin I just want to show you quickly, which is really cool for musicians and artists, is the plugin called Easy Digital Downloads. Now this is awesome because you can sell any digital product and through PayPal, and you get everything besides the amount that PayPal has to take for the transaction. So you could sell your music, you could sell artwork, you could sell whatever you want using this plugin, and it's great. Easy Digital Downloads. There we are. So just install now. Activate the plugin. And now you have a different menu for the digital download. So you can go into here, all downloads, and I'll just try and set up a new download so you can actually see how it works. So just gonna get rid of that. Where are we? So we can go. So I think the WordPress sometimes messes up with the sidebar here. So we're gonna add a new download. So I'm just gonna do put a remix on. So I did a remix recently of a Z track. So I'm just gonna put that up just to test it. So I'm just gonna go add media, upload files. I want you to know your remix. So I'm just gonna put up the MP3 just so it uploads a little bit faster. That's fine. So yeah, that'll be uploading. And the cool thing is you can set whatever price you want for the product, and you don't have to pay for anything like shipping because it's obviously a digital product. So they just get a download link, and PayPal just deal with the whole payment process, and digital downloads give you the service to allow that to happen. So you know, if you find that you're using this a lot, maybe you want to support the people that made the plugin, because it's a very handy tool. So once this one loads, I'll show you what will happen there. So I guess I wanted to touch on this a lot because this can be used for a lot of different uses. Just having that online transaction process already done for you. You know, it's it'd be very hard to code yourself. So we've added that in, and we're going to publish that. Now we're going to have all our downloads. If I go all downloads, we're going to see there's this download here, and now we can edit and set a price and all these parameters. So we can go, you can even enable variable pricing, but let's say do $2 for this. Be default, you give it a name. And what I've actually done by mistake is I've put the file in the actual page. So here we would just say check out the remix. You know, only $2. And then what we'd do is we'd put this song in this section here. Yeah, and so you can put in some download notes and some excerpts, yada yada. Set a featured image for the page, and let's go update now, and let's see how this looks. So go view download, and boom, we've got this this button here. So you know, the customer would click on that, adds it to the cart. They can click checkout, and it takes you to this page, and you just put in all your billing information and purchase, and it's all done. It's very, very easy to set up, and you're getting an error here, so you must enable the payment gateway to use easy digital downloads, but that's easy to do. So that's just where you'd enter your PayPal information. So if we went into, it's decided to go crazy on me. So let's just go. Let's see if we can go to another page to get that up properly. Sometimes you have to click dashboard to kind of reload these. So we could just go settings and, you know, put in all our payment gateway. So just set up our PayPal account. That's pretty standard to use PayPal with that. So yeah, we've got that. And now posts are another cool thing because you can put, we're just going to trash this. You can put posts in any category, and that's how I upload my content on Crafty Muso. You know, just go post, add new, and you can just put in the title of your post. Hi, hello there. And you can say, you know, there's different formats in this actual theme, which I haven't seen this format thing in my other themes that I run. So that's obviously telling you what kind of format you'd want for the post. So if I go view post, we can see hi there is there. So we've got recent posts, and then if we go to the home, you'll see the post there. So it's yeah, really easy to post new content on your page. There's some other stuff that I'd like to talk about. Let's go into widgets. Now this is where you can kind of use your see, this is your sidebar here, which appears on obviously on the left. So let's get rid of all the stuff that I've already put, and let's just put let's say the downloads cart. Can put different pages, and maybe the posts as well, recent posts. So save all that, and then have a look at the website now. So this is going to be quite different. So now they've got your shopping cart there, you've got the pages, so you've got the bio and checkout, which is all set up by the easy digital downloads. So there's the bio, there's the hi. So let's just go. The cool thing is with WordPress, if you're on a page, you can just edit that page that you're looking at through this top bar here. So you can just go edit page here, and we'll just put in a picture just to show you guys what a picture looks like in a post. So you go add media, upload files, and we'll just select. Let's just use the same one. So just got that in there, and obviously you can align it into the center or wherever you'd like. So let's just center it all, update that, and have a look at what it looks like. Boom, there you are. And obviously this is a very limited guide on how to create your page, but it's probably I'm trying to condense a lot of information to a short time, so I'll do some more videos that are a bit more detailed and not as broad and fast. So this is just kind of a good way to get started, and the thing is, you'll learn a lot just by exploring, and it's all very user friendly. So try it out and let me know how you go. If there's any questions, just put it in the comments below. Thanks, guys.